Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to do hashing in Java. Hashing is a technique of mapping elements or data to a hash table. There is a hash function which will take element or data and generates the hash value on the table. In this example, we can see there are 5 different values given: 12, 23, 24, 35, 65, and these values are divided by 10. In case of 12 there is the remainder 2, in 23 there will be remainder 3, for 24 remainder will be 4. Now on the basis of this remainder we will be storing values, these 12, 23, 24, 35, etc., to this table. So for 12 remainder is 2, so we'll store 12 in this place in the index 2 of this array. Similarly, we'll store 23 in this position because the remainder is 3 and the position in this array is 3. 24 in this position, then 35 in this position. Now 65 when divided by 10 also gives us remainder 5, but this position 5 is already occupied by 35. This situation where two or more than two elements have the same remainder or same hash value in the table is known as hash collision. There are different techniques to resolve the hash collision, like linear probing, quadratic probing, etc. This method of mapping data to the table. In this method, the certain number is taken and remainder of the given data is generated. On the basis of remainder, those values are mapped to the table. Here given data is 12, 23, 24, etc., and the value which is used to get the remainder is 10. This method of getting remainder is known as modulo method. So now let's see the code how to do this in Java. Now let's start coding. Simple. Let's make a Java hashing as a class, public static void main. Okay, now let's make an integer array table of size 10. Get a new int. I'm not supposed to write 10 here. Then let's take few elements. "12, 23, 24. For now we are not going to make any kind of collision here. Now let's do some loop here. I equal to 0. For I equal to 0, I less than table dot length I plus plus. Then let's do some modulo operator here. Okay, remainder. Let's define a variable. Remainder equal to 0. Remainder equal to elements I modulus 10. Then table rem is equal to elements I. Okay, in this example we are taking a integer array of size 10. This table is integer array. It has 10 spaces starting from 0. We have elements 12, 23, array of elements 12, 23, 24, etc. And in the for loop, what we are doing is we are taking the remainder of each element of this elements array. So within the loop, all these elements will be divided by 10, and the remainder will be stored within the rem, and on the basis the rem elements will be stored in the table. Here you can see the index for the element is used is rem. So in this way we can store the value within the table, and the element stored within the table will be at the position provided by rem. Now let's display the content of this table. I less than table dot length I plus plus. Now let's display system out dot println value. Okay, let's save this. no video. Let's go to this folder, hashing.java. Now let's compile this. Okay, array index out of boundary. Oh, what is the problem? Because I am not supposed to do this as daily. It should be elements. My mistake, silly mistake. It happens. No worries. Okay, re-execute this. Hashing to Java hashing. Now let's see. The 12. Okay, it will be better to show the position of the table also. And I. Okay. Now let's execute this. Okay, you can see 12 is stored in this third position of the table, 23 in fourth, 25 in fifth, and so on. So by taking the remainder, we can map the given value to the table. This is a very simple example of hashing. This method is known as modulo or division method. Okay, thank you for watching this.